Look at these curls, you guys. Like, girl. Y'all know I'm always coming at Sensational's next, especially when it comes to their butter lace units. But this one they did what they were supposed to do. They did what they were supposed to do with this unit.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free, suppose. I can hear the weeds that you're sneaking and seeking to dispose. I smell it inside of your clothes, repelling the scent from my nose. Your friends are foes and you ain't living in reality. No originality, where's your personality? You're a whole disparity, a joke from the hilarity. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your...
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Sensational Butta Lace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Butta Unit 35 in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. You do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. You do get your singular 5-inch HD lace parting space that goes right down the middle. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It is HD lace, and it does come with baby hairs. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. The hairline is given what it's supposed to be given. One of the things I do like about the Butta Lace collection is the fact that it's definitely throw on and go. They usually do have reasonable hairlines, baby hairs. It's definitely for lazy girls. If you're somebody who just wants to pop a wig off, cut the lace, pop it on, and then just lay it down and go, this is definitely going to be it. As far as the texture is concerned, it's definitely on the drier side. It's definitely feeling more yucky. As you can see, I did not go in and finger comb the curls because the volume on this one is a lot. This is the hair to the front, you guys, and the density is serious. This is like 180%. Like, and can you imagine if I were to go and finger comb this out? It is a lot of hair, you guys. So this is definitely for the big hair don't care type of girls. I'm not feeling any tracks or anything like that. The density is glorious. I'm just looking for these curl patterns. Y'all know I am a big hair don't care type of girl, so I am here for that. Definitely a good amount of density on this one. The length on it, it's pretty long. It comes to my boobs and about just above my butt. Definitely is a lot of hair, y'all, but I'm liking it because I'm definitely a do too much type girl, big hair don't care type girl, so I really do like it. I do also like the fact that, as you can see, it's layered, so it's shorter in the front than it is in the back, so you can kind of just get that natural look to the front, and then you can do this little illusion I got as far as it looking like natural length in the front and then the longer layers in the back. I really did like that. As far as the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. I feel like in the past, some of the Butta Lace units I've tried hasn't had much stretch to the cap, but I feel like for this one, it's fitting my head perfectly fine. I don't have my hair braided or anything underneath. It's just like in a low ponytail, and it's fitting my head pretty snug. It's not feeling like it's constricting my head or anything like that, so I'm definitely here for that. So there definitely is going to be some stretch to the cap, so I think if you do have a larger size head, this is probably one you could definitely get away with wearing. This one does have ear to ear lace. I don't think I necessarily took advantage of it because I'm not really a sideburn type girl, but you do have that ear-to-ear lace, so you can go and play around with that if you feel the need to. The stock card doesn't list that it's heat safe, so if you're trying to go on with heat on this one, I definitely would just be wary, you guys. I probably could use a little bit of flattening like right there. But as a whole, I'm just living for the fact that this one was an absolute throw on and go. This one is definitely beginner friendly, so I feel like if you're not super intuitive and everything in experience when it comes to wigs, this definitely will be for you. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. I honestly can't say that I have any cons when it comes to this unit, and that's being real. Like, my pros for this unit are going to be the hairline, very, very well done, especially with the fact I feel like sometimes it's harder to get away with making a unit look natural and everything when it's just one defined parting space. But I do love the fact that Sensational kind of went in and gives you additional lace, so you have a real looking hairline. Looks realistic, looks natural. So I definitely am here for the hairline. I'm here for the baby hairs. I'm here for this beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. As far as it being everyday friendly, I think if I were to cut it to this length right here all around, then I would say I could definitely get away with more so wearing it every day. But it is a synthetic curly unit, so you know the maintenance that comes along with it. Like I said, this is just the curl straight out of the box, and I feel like it looks beautiful, like very vacation vibes, very like, this is like just giving me everything I need for it to be giving me. Texture on point, curl pattern on point, construction, the fact that it was minimal work, literally just throwing it on and go. I really feel like they did their thing with this one, honestly. And y'all know I'm always coming at Sensationals next, especially when it comes to their butter lace units. But this one they did what they were supposed to do. They did what they were supposed to do with this unit, and I can't even be mad at it. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.